So in the last lesson, we examined is well-formed method of working with string. And in this lesson, we are going to be taking a look at the opposite of that, the string method to well-formed. So like in the previous example, you notice that even though we add a Unicode character that uh, JavaScript could not pass, which I mean that JavaScript could not interpret, yet it allowed us to form part of our string, which was the value that was assigned to our variable. So in this lesson, if we now want that to become, a valid Unicode character, how do we do it? How do we achieve it? That is the purpose of toWellFormed. The string method toWellFormed returns a new string where all lone surrogates are replaced with the Unicode replacement character, which means that all the lone surrogates, those invalid character, they will now be replaced with the Unicode replacement character in order to give it something valuable or something that can be interpreted and gives meaning. So let's take a look. Let me pull up my code editor and see. So remember this code in the previous lesson. So if I want to change this to be replaced with a valid uniform character, uniform characters as we have here, the Unicode replacement character, then I can use the this method in order to achieve that. And the method is toWellFormed. So I'll just change this to well-formed. And if you take a look at my browser, you can see that now this is a question mark, a valued representation. Like if you have a statement and you want to add a question mark. So it has turned it from something that has no meaning to something that is meaningful using the Unicode replacement character and using this method in JavaScript. So this is how you can use the toWellFormed method while working with string to replace every lone surrogate in your code to a valid Unicode character in JavaScript while working with string. So you can see that this is like the opposite of the initial method that we first used. So if I have more or do something like this, you see this is not working by adding something else. But if I add 0 here, you can see that beyond that character, I am having something else now, which means that if I put a space, what happens? You can see a space now, which means that JavaScript understands this and this perfectly. But you see, this is a special character that this method helps me to pass and transform into something like question mark that you can see on my screen. So like I said, just take time to dig deep into this online so that you have a better understanding of it in case if you have opportunity or situations that warrant that you do something like this in your program. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.